People teach us history as a steady ladder, one invention built on top of another. But beneath that ladder lie tools, materials, and machines that do not fit our timeline. Some grew stronger in seawater. Some tracked the stars with impossible precision. Some cut steel as if it were soft clay. These are not myths. They are physical artifacts. They are lab results. And in many cases, they simply vanish from the record. Today, you're about to discover 10 ancient technologies that modern science still cannot explain. Stay with me until the end, because the final discovery forces us to question whether progress is truly linear, or something we lost along the way. We call our era advanced because of computers, synthetic materials, and modern laboratories. But archaeology and material science keep returning the same uncomfortable question. Did ancient civilizations sometimes reach solutions we still struggle to reproduce today? And if they did, why did those methods disappear? This film is not about myths. It is about documented finds, peer-reviewed studies, and unanswered gaps in our understanding. These 10 cases come from different cultures and different centuries, yet they share one disturbing pattern. Let's begin. Fact number 10. Roman concrete, a material that grows stronger in the sea. Across the Mediterranean coastline, Roman harbors still stand. Breakwaters, piers, seawalls, all submerged, all battered by waves, all nearly 2,000 years old. Modern concrete crumbles in salt water within decades. Roman concrete does not. In fact, it grows stronger. Chemical analysis revealed that Roman builders used a volcanic ash called pozzolana, mixed with lime and seawater. Over time, this mixture forms rare minerals that bind the concrete together. The more seawater penetrates it, the stronger the structure becomes. Modern engineers understand the chemistry, but recreating the process at scale has proven difficult, slow, and commercially inconvenient. So, a simple question remains. If a building material could last thousands of years, why did we replace it with one designed to fail? Fact number 9. The Antikythera mechanism, an ancient computer. In 1901, a sponge diver off the Greek island of Antikythera pulled something strange from a shipwreck. At first, it looked like corroded scrap metal, but X-ray scans revealed interlocking bronze gears, dozens of them, arranged with impossible precision. The device could predict eclipses, track planetary motion, model lunar cycles. It was an analog computer built more than 2,000 years ago. No similar machine appears again for over a millennium. The craftsmanship suggests workshops capable of mechanical accuracy that history says did not exist. And yet, there it is. Real, measured, undeniable. Fact number 8. Damascus and Wootz steel. Nanotech by hand. Damascus steel blades were feared across the ancient world. They could bend without breaking, hold an edge indefinitely, slice through armor. Modern microscopes revealed why. Inside surviving blades are microscopic carbide structures and nanotube-like formations. features modern metallurgy still struggles to reproduce consistently. These blades were made from Wootz steel, produced in ancient India using sealed crucibles and organic carbon sources. The process was unbelievably sensitive. Slight temperature changes ruined everything. The knowledge was never written down. It lived in the hands of craftsmen. When those lineages disappeared, the science vanished with them. Fact number 7. Egyptian gold powder. Ancient antibiotics. In certain Egyptian burials, archaeologists discovered extremely fine gold dust woven into wrappings. At first, it was assumed symbolic. Later analysis told a different story. The gold particles were nanoscale, uniform, and coated with organic compounds. Lab tests showed they killed bacteria mechanically, without chemicals. Modern medicine only recently began exploring this concept. The Egyptian method remains unknown. Attempts to replicate it have been limited. Samples remain restricted, and the formula is lost. Fact number 6. Greek fire, a weapon. Science forgot Byzantine ships once deployed a substance that burned on water. Greek fire. It clung to hulls, resisted extinguishing, spread when touched. Accounts describe pressurized delivery systems, far ahead of medieval technology. Modern reconstructions can imitate parts of it, but none fully replicate its described behavior. The original formula was guarded by death. When the chain of knowledge broke, the technology vanished. What remains is a material mystery no lab has fully solved. Fact number 5. Libyan desert glass. Frozen fire. Scattered across North Africa lies a glass formed at impossible temperatures, nearly pure silica. No volcano nearby. No crater. No clear explanation. To melt sand into glass requires temperatures above 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Tutankhamun wore it. Modern labs need plasma torches to recreate similar material. The event that formed it remains unidentified. Aerial explosion, cosmic impact, or something else entirely. Fact number 4. Mesopotamian lenses. Optics before optics. In ancient Mesopotamia, small crystal objects were found, perfectly polished, carefully shaped. They magnify light. Laser testing confirms optical precision. This suggests knowledge of refraction, thousands of years before the Renaissance. Many such objects remain misclassified or locked away. Their true purpose still debated. Fact number 3. Orichalcum, a metal that shouldn't exist. In 2015, 39 strange metal ingots were recovered from a shipwreck near Sicily. Their composition matched no known ancient alloy. Copper, zinc, nickel, rare traces, balanced with impossible precision. Access to the samples was restricted. Research stalled. The material remains classified. Whether myth or metallurgy, its properties remain unexplained. Fact number 2. Incan UV-resistant paint. Color that refuses to fade. High in the Andes, temple walls still glow with color. Centuries of sunlight have not erased them. Analysis shows a matrix of organic binders and microscopic silica particles that scatter ultraviolet radiation. Modern recreations fail without synthetic polymers. The ancient recipe used plants, and knowledge now extinct. Fact number 1. Chinese flexible glass, erased by law. Ancient Chinese records describe a cup that bent instead of shattering. When the artisan refused to reveal the process, he was executed. The workshop destroyed. Modern flexible glass requires industrial chemistry. Yet archaeological anomalies persist. Reports vanish. Samples disappear. If true, this technology was not lost by time. It was erased by choice. Across cultures and centuries, a pattern emerges. A breakthrough appears. It works. Then it disappears. Suppressed, forgotten, or deemed too disruptive. These were not accidents. They were decisions. And the cost was paid by the future. Which of these technologies surprised you the most? Do you believe this knowledge was lost or intentionally buried? Leave your answer below. And if you want a deep dive into any single discovery, tell me which one. Your next journey is waiting on the screen now.